Hi, Katrina. How are you?
Hi, Julie.
Katrina is joining us from Cameroon. Katrina, welcome to my YouTube channel.
Thank you.
So, Katrina, you are launching a new initiative. Do you want to talk about that?
Yeah, of course. I'm launching Let's Talk It. It's a mental health campaign that is to raise awareness for mental health and let people know that depression is real. They can actually heal themselves by talking it out.
And how does this idea of launching this campaign came about?
Well, I have been a victim of depression. I know how it feels to be depressed. When I got from that part, I said, okay, I cannot sit and just stay mute about the whole thing. A lot of people out there are suffering because they lack awareness. So I will be the voice of the people.
And how are you going to launch this campaign and what is it called? Do you want to describe the campaign for my viewers?
Yeah, it will be launched here in Cameroon, and it will be a campaign that we are not just starting to stop. We don't have an end time. We will keep spreading the word of awareness, sensitizing people on depression and how they can keep their mental health good. So the campaign will start from next week on the 8th of May 2021, and we don't have a specific group of persons because even kids do face depression.
Okay, and what is it called, Katrina? And where are you launching it? Just a little more details about it.
Let's Talk It. It's called Let's Talk It. Let's Talk It. Erasing stigmas.
Okay. And how did you come up with the name? Let's Talk It. Let's talk about that.
Okay, Let's Talk It. A lot of people are suffering depression, but they cannot talk it out.
Yeah.
They don't know who to confide in. So I put Let's Talk It because I want the name to captivate you, to tell me why you're depressed. Tell me what is burning inside of you.
Okay. And any challenges you faced before launching the campaign? What are your challenges currently, to go about this and launch this campaign?
Well, I have a lot of challenges. One of the biggest challenges I'm facing is that a lot of people do not want to talk. We have to keep going back to them so they can talk it. We don't have to force you, but we have to give people reasons why it is good to talk out your depression and set yourself free from that bondage. So that's one of my biggest challenges.
And any other challenges which you want to talk about to my viewers?
Yeah, I have other challenges like women, especially here in my country. Women are facing a lot of violence. And that's the more reason why a lot of them go through depression. Some of them do not even have food to eat. Women are really challenged because it is rare for a woman to get a job here. You must have a skill. And having a skill too requires a lot of money to go pay for you to be taught this skill. So it leads them to depression because they have to think where their next meal will come from. And so it's a challenge.
Okay. Katrina, there is something else I wanted to talk about. You have been part of United Nations parliamentarian, so do you want to tell my viewers about what exactly did you do as part of United Nations?
As part of the United Nations, I am the voice of the youth. That means the problems the youth are facing, they can channel it to me while I give it to the government, I give it to the United Nations.
So Katrina, do you want to talk about the work you did with the United Nations?
Okay, the work with the United Nations is that I am the voice of the youth. The youth can channel their problems to me while I send it to our government, and the government channel it to the United Nations. This is making the youth to know that their voices are being heard. And we are striving to work on the 17 Sustainable Development Goals.
Fantastic. And Katrina, this is for a young age. This is a fantastic work you're doing. So do you want to tell my viewers about what motivates you, what keeps you going to start such initiative?
I have a lot of motivation, but my motivation is everybody. Knowing that there are a lot of people out there who listen and who are ready to heal, because when you dare to talk to them, it's already a motivation for me not to give up. because I have a lot of people looking out on me. They might not know me, but they've heard my voice and they have seen what I'm doing. And so they're looking up to me. I don't have to feel them.
So that is fantastic, Katrina. Thank you so much for taking out time. I know you are in between classes, but you could figure out to take out time on the campus and giving this interview. We have wonderful girls like Katrina, who are young, but who has so much zeal and enthusiasm to heal the world around them, joining us on this platform on a regular basis. So if you've not subscribed to my channel, do subscribe. Katrina, thank you so much.
Thank you, Julie. Thank you.